Okay, we're in a model 2018 Keystone Raptor model number 428. This has the extreme weather package, Alumicage construction, king size bed, 3 slides with the outside patio on the passenger side, and the rear deck with the patio and the doors. Let's go up into the bed first. It has the oversized shower with the thing that you can sit on. That's pretty desirable. King size bed, TV, very nice in here. Wardrobe closet. There's the heat in the floors. This is a cold weather package. Very nice vanity. Medicine cabinet. And then I like the look at the shower thing. That's pretty nice. Okay. Now going out of the fifth wheel part, coming down. You've got the 2 Lazy Boy recliners. These have the electric in them where you can get a massage. They also light up at night, and underneath it lights up. The area over there is for the dinette. I have either the dinette or another Lazy Boy chair that goes there. The screen goes to the area here that opens up, and this has the patio screening, and there's a TV out here too. This is the cat's meow of the coach, in my opinion. Convection oven, all convection oven, stove, microwave, and look at that refrigerator. This one has the automatic where you pull the one out in the middle and you can keep your stuff at whatever temperature you want it, whether you want bread warmed, kept warm, or you want sodas kept cold. This is also 23 cubic feet. You will not find another refrigerator this big in one of these RVs. This is the biggest one the industry will allow. And that was custom ordered too. Beautiful, beautiful countertop. This lights up. Bathroom. Second bath. Ample storage. A lot of storage in this. All LED lights. Everything done in leather. There's 3 ACs in this unit also, and duct AC throughout the whole system. Fireplace. And then this is the state-of-the-art thing nowadays. You've got your Pro Plus command system. Everything is done from there. Outside you have 2 power awnings for the whole right side of the coach. Ooh, what else in here? LED lighting. Also, I have 2 sets of the bulbs, the glass that goes around there. Still in the box. Kids go up top here. You can sleep one up here. And then here's the other greatest thing about this coach. You've got the 2 automatic beds. This bed goes up. This one turns into a table and chairs, and you can sit outside there. And then the back deck goes down. Also have an AC back here too. 3 ACs. And a television. So the kids can live back here. You can put that back deck down. Open up the glass doors there. And it also has the what's it called? The patio porch thing. So I mean everything. It also has washer and dryer hook up here. This is the best one that I've seen as far as most stuff. Outside you have the automatic levelers. There's 6 of them. You have the double awnings and 3 slides. I'm sure I'm forgetting a couple things here and there. But this is the brand new one out on the market. You can't get any better than this. These are $107,000, brand new. They're coming off of, you know, at the end of the year, they sell them at cost. So basically, this will be the best deal that you can possibly get right here. Beautiful coach.